Hello and welcome in my kitchen. My name is Silvia and today I will show you how I prepare the meat for roast. In this case I have 2 kilograms and a half of neck of pork, but let's not waste time and show you the ingredients. In here I have all the ingredients, so let's go one by one. This is onion powder, 1 lemon, paprika, ginger, ground pepper, a little bit of cinnamon, thyme, honey, salt, crushed garlic, bay leaves and grounded cloves. Obviously this is for my taste. I invite you to try my recipe, but all these ingredients can be changed for your taste. Now I will cut the meat and then mix all the ingredients together and actually bath my meat into them. I think this thickness is quite okay. Now all my meat is portioned and I'm going to put it on a side and mix all the other ingredients. First of all, I'm going to start with the onion, then with the paprika, ginger powder and peppercorn. Then I'm going to add the cinnamon, thyme, grounded clove, salt, garlic. In a minute I'm going to squeeze the lemon in here and the honey. And the bay leaves, I'm going to add them right in the place where I'll keep the meat overnight for tomorrow roasting. Now all these ingredients are mixed together. I need to add the honey. So how much honey I add? It's gonna be like 2 or 3 spoons. The combination between the cloves, the garlic, the onion and the honey, and obviously all the others, is going to make this meat taste wonderful. I invite you to try it exactly as I do it and see how it is, but I can assure you it's going to be good. Okay, so now I'm going to put the meat in here Just place it like this. And then, actually, for this, I am going to use my hands because I have to turn the meat anyway, upside down, because it has to be covered, and what better tool than your hand? Okay, now turn around. We're going to leave this overnight, and tomorrow in the morning I'm going to put it in the oven for about 2 hours, maybe a little bit more, on slow sort of cook. So first of all, I'm going to cover it with kitchen foil, and when it's about done, I'm going to uncover it and let it get a color. I wish you would be here to smell all this. Oh, beautiful. Put the bay leaves like this, cover it up and put it in the fridge until tomorrow. Thanks again for coming in my kitchen. If you like the video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe and press the bell button for new recipes.